Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select Census format. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to reference reference 5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to reference 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on 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 here and here. Then select the move from here. Then I will click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer. Then press on hold or 50. Then decrease the size of this layer. Then drag this layer in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on 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 here. Then click on the field. Then select this color. Then select this. Then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the desktop. Then select this layer, then decrease the size of this layer. Then you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here again. Then double click on here, then select this color format, then click on the OK, then drag this under these layers. Then you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. 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 Then you have to click on here, here, and here. Then select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, here, and here. Then click on the field, then select this color from here. Then select the move tool and drag this under these layers. After that, you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on the blues. Then you have to select this color from here, then you have to drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then drag this in here, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then drag this in here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then lock this layer. After that, you have to select this layer, then you have to double click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the outer glow. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the outer glow again. After that, you have to write this text in here. Then you have to select this layer, then lock this layer, then you have to select these layers, then lock these layers. Then set this text in here. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, you have to select this text, then press the Alt key, then take it from this. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Click on the tick mark. Then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then double click on here, then click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then select this, then right click on this, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow, then click on here, then select this color from here. Click on the OK. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from a PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here, then we have to select all layers from here, then we have to click on the backspace. Then we have to back to the project, then we have to unlock all layers from here. Then we have to select all layers from here, then we have to drag these layers in here. Then we have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, we have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.